Debia me betena ha say a asemo ameka ene say Ghana ha say ye say nkrofo din eto debia ye the information ekoma impanyifo na impanyifo no esanse wo mo behwe information ni mu yi no wo mo nhwe mu yi na wo mo ahyase se wo mo say nkrofo din even without proper checking asem we amebekan one of the biggest security agencies in this country wo mo kra wo mo aye bibisa as far back as 2013 etiefo ene wo mo den krata ebe nim aba be pacho se ade a wo mo ye 7 years ago no wo mo pacho se boni bia eto abrantie na wo mo de saade na ye no wo mo ye sorry asem ne sen eya Ghana Immigration Service ye ni aye immigration service wo na wo mo hwe Ghana borders ene nyama so bobi ba wo man ni mu ana wobi de bibi ba wo mu no be check hu ne se okay ade a wo de ba wo man ni mu no papa obi ba ye hwense ni papa ne papers aha sa nyama no wo mu Ghana Immigration Service na hwe sa nyama ne so na around May, just around this time, May 2013, so exactly 7 years ago, Ghana Immigration Service wankasa impanyifo ebetro enyama edeto abonten wo mo ye press release edeto abonten ebo wo mo officer bidin ye friend Mr. Alale na Mr. Alale wo mo boni din ye ka se Mr. Alale yo bia se ben prebiasa wo ye recalcitrant wo ye rope ye ka mami check the dictionary me pese ebia definition na mema mu no ebe wrong but ye ka so be recalcitrant address oyobia na swording. That's what I understand by recalcitrant. Let me check the meaning of rogue. You can roga. Semboni woni so. Now, the definition from the dictionary, rogue, a dishonest or unprincipled man. You can so be a roga. Wagadre. Uyobia. Woye bibia basabasa. Udia gro. Wabezan osisia. And then your friend rogue. Inti Ghana Immigration Service form pennyfo eden krata beto abonten trese Mr. Laley 2013. Wo ye rogue officer. Wo sanso ye recalcitrant nso me hwe meaning ne mamo. Se na me din kan no. Hwe ensama kase o na mo de to papa yi so. Recalcitrant na trese having an obstinately uncooperative attitude towards authority or discipline. Na trese wo bia impanyifo ka say ye say a na wo wakwa akoye different thing ye say na wakwa akoye different ko fa wo show mo ase wo mo ma say ye ade we ya o se wo de wo nya wo de wo ho na wakoye different thing na recalcitrant no na asem a wo mo de to Mr. Laleso ene say wo mo say aflawo border nkrofo bi yo mo adwen say wo mo de cars Chinese for 15 yo mo adwen say wo mo e de cars back wo mo smuggle cars back from Aflao ena sa officer yi eboa wo mo na wo mo de car no ewura Ghana mu almost 15 nationals on approved routes through Volta region just nkrofo China sa atan was that na galamsey but na China for Ghana for yehu bebi a wo mo free a wo mo ba wo mo mfa airport because ye nim say wo mo nkra ta inti asemo mo de to Mr. Laleso ne say sa China for 15 nkwa wo de wo mo efa unapproved routes edi omo ewura Ghana mu cancel to ne so etiefo enne wo mo ababonten beka se wo mo sre Ghana fo sansem a wo mo kanto ne so ni nina no wo mo sre Ghana fo yemfa wo mo bone nche omo Ghana Immigration Service na wo mo ya sa no wo mo sanso lebo papa ne se papa no wo ye twese wadwane wo mo hwehwe no omo no wa chi na to twese wo mo say ni din poto imagine ade a eto papa yi you just imagine ade a eto papa yi say ni din enne the PRO of GIS a friend Superintendent Michael Amwakwanta or the Nsema Babeto Abonten say the GIS by this statement renders an unqualified apology to him his immediate and extended families as well as associates for the embarrassments this unfortunate action may have caused him in the eyes of right-thinking members of the society. 7 years on, almost say, moi, almost say, and somehow one can't efa papa ne hono, say papa no, mamo, enu hunti ebia na edwuma bia e wo se wonya, enu hunti ebia nyama bia wo se wonya, nkrofo bi bedi na tem, nkrofo be po ne nyama no, almost sre, monfa wo mo bone enche omo. Ghana Immigration Service. So you see the extent to which even a security agency back then able to me say one of their own din and the womaba bonting ebe pacho. That is why I keep on telling you guys on this channel. So will be one sembane ya sembonia. Mr. Remo, don't just judge quickly like that. Mr. Suse, far back 2013, if we were reacting on this particular story, Papa Niebebo saying it because it is from a trusted source, the Ghana Immigration Service, or one can say from more akan sem afa one of their officers, Mr. Lale, that's saying it in poto. Now you see, apology but for me it is not enough. Because one, they actually in their statement, I am reading right now from Daily Guide for Air Publishing. Now, statements are Daily Guide for Air Publishing. One, it didn't say the effect of what they did it had on the man. In a sense, say ne cre papa no womo chini tumu ansa na afiansa womo realize say the omo de to ne so nia enya ne cre ansa na womo yi na film ana say den. Ana two, papa no say be we film enu hunti womo ba be apologize ana say den. We need to know more details. For me, statements are one more clearly, because I said by this statement we render an unqualified apology. So why will you render an apology to someone who say be anipakunu we di bone? Not say indirectly you are saying say in someone more the tone so no na yentro. But in their statement they are releasing right now, they have not stated say ebi and someone yede to papa ne so no. Yesremo intro ni yichae woman kasa ba womo say we are rendering an unqualified apology to him and his immediate and extended families. Not as in a bushyan for still the man is alive. Womo say to him. So to him, his immediate and extended family, not as in a bushyan for close and near. Yesremo monfa yebone encheyen. You who say reality. Imagine what this man went through for these 7 years. Obviously, Papa no obelusu na ejuma. Na wolusu na ejuma wi a, either say ebia ye chini tumu wrongly. Ana say ya china tumu wrongly krana. So wo yeso wo kope ejuma foforo a, on beka say Ghana Immigration Service for ede onsem any wudin enenam. Say wo nye ni papa sebe wo yo obi a who a business owner, will you employ someone like that? Obviously, you not. So for the 7 years, I can tell you for a fact that Papa no, he has lost a lot. Hey, se nipa ho asemba na ye bone a to bo ate. Efutu amemede mamo no. To the extent that this security agent, a very big security, one of the biggest security agencies in Ghana, can even do something like this. Se nipa ye ka nipa ho asembone a susu believe menka say bia nipa no want to mean this abone no obetumi this abone no, but say me ye Ghana ha say, I always say this, say me ye ka nipa ho asembone a obi believe straight ahead no eno na ye a ehye e wo man we mu. Because of that, a lot of good people wo mo atwe mo ho asan. Because of that, a lot of good people na me tie video bi enra Facebook blogger bi a friend no osofo mame purpose den e ba bonten e be keka nsema fa Kwaku Menu ho se Kwaku Menu ene efi atopada te say what can so people are believing it. Kwaku Menu awawari o say Kwaku Menu din say, and people were believing sa Facebook blogger no. You see enyama bi sa no emma nipa emma nipa wo pese wo ye papa no wonye papa biom hwese ne akweku menu wodi efia to pay aye series YouTube series ama ende efia to panekra no wabe ye obi ankrofo ni no ye beka se waba beda ne star na wobi nso ekote na Facebook kan se mo ya fa ne ho say ni din ofi se nkrofo gidi ne ye bokweku menu din bone a wo pese wo boa wo bi foforo ema ne beda ne star ofi se ebe like he will feel like if ebe free ni yem. Yes, obi wo ho a he will not mind what people will say. Nkrofo bi sa wo ho. But obi nso wo ho, wo ye papa na wo hia asese, wo ka ne ho nsembone pe wo begya ye. Wo begya ye na tese wa pe baby adwen ne ho. Ene se bia ne bako no wo pe opese wo gya papa ne ye o da bi. But bone na wo ka e na Ghana ha se sa na yete ye say nkrofo din. E di ye hu se wo bi koso. I believe says Ghana Immigration Service for in Krata wo de ba bonten fa Mr. Moses Alalei essay ni di no misusu se ebia ne colleagues bi ano ne omu ye adwuma e na ekobo amane ekotwa ntroto ne so ema mpanyimfo no enso ebetro nkrata essay ni din poto efre no road and recalcitrant and then omu de chelpa ma no eni nebusuafo. You see how this world is. Yes, say Ghana, yes, say Nkrofo too much. Intimesrao, sian bibi free why. The Biametramo said, if I bring stories, I just want you guys to learn from it. Learn from it. Ati asiye. So what say wo bia sem bone ba. Menka se nipa ni ntumi nya bone. But nyam to boasiye. Listen to the side of the person. And that's ye kan ya na we believe it. Ye pesa de no wo man we mu dodo. Ye pesa de no. Unche mwa adwen, but that's it.